In today's world, making money has become easier than ever before. One of the easiest ways to make money is by selling low-content items. Low-content items are items that are relatively simple to create and require little to no content. Here are 3 ways to make money with low-content items. Number 1. Selling low-content books on Amazon. Selling low-content books on Amazon is not only a great way to make extra money, but it also provides an opportunity to unleash your creativity and create something unique that others can benefit from. The best part is that you don't have to be a professional writer or designer to create your own low-content books. You just need some basic tools and a good dose of creativity. To get started, you can use online tools such as Canva or PicMonkey to create the design for your low-content books. These tools offer a wide range of templates, graphics, and fonts that you can use to create beautiful designs. You can also customize your designs with your own images or graphics to make them more personal and unique. Once you have created your designs, you need to think about the structure and format of your book. Consider the purpose of your book and who your target audience is. Are you creating a planner for busy moms or a journal for writers? What are the essential elements that you need to include in your book, such as important dates, to-do lists, or prompts? Think about how you can make your book user-friendly and engaging. Another important aspect of selling low-content books on Amazon is pricing. You need to find the right balance between the quality of your book and the price that you charge. Research the market to see what other sellers are charging for similar items, and set your price accordingly. It's also important to offer discounts or promotions to attract more buyers and increase your sales. To make your low-content books more appealing to potential buyers, you can also include additional features such as stickers or bookmarks. These small additions can make your book more attractive and valuable to your customers. Selling low-content books on Amazon can be a great way to earn some extra cash with minimal effort. All you need are some simple tools and creativity to come up with beautiful designs that people will love. It's important to pay attention to the structure and design of your book, and make sure to price it correctly and offer extra features to make it stand out from the rest. With a little bit of work, you can create a passive income that can bring you financial freedom and satisfaction. Number 2. Selling printables on Etsy. Selling printables on Etsy has become increasingly popular in recent years. It's a great way for creative individuals to monetize their design skills and offer something unique to buyers. The beauty of selling printables is that they're digital products that can be downloaded instantly, so there's no need for physical inventory or shipping costs. This makes it a low-risk and high-reward business opportunity. To get started with selling printables on Etsy, the first step is to create your designs. You can use a variety of design software, such as Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop, to create your designs. You can create a range of printables, such as art prints, calendars, planner pages, and coloring books. The possibilities are endless, and the more creative and unique your designs are, the more likely they'll sell. Once you've created your designs, you can package them as digital files and upload them to your Etsy store. You can set your own price for your printables, and Etsy takes a small commission on each sale. It's important to price your printables competitively, but also make sure you're making a profit. To make your printables more attractive to buyers, you need to focus on the quality of the design and the functionality of the item. Use high-quality images, graphics, and fonts to create eye-catching designs. Make sure your printables are well organized and easy to use, with enough space for writing or coloring. Adding unique features such as habit trackers, meal planners, or inspirational quotes can make your printables stand out and offer something different to buyers. Another great way to make your printables stand out is to create themed collections. For example, you could create a collection of motivational quotes or a series of seasonal art prints. This makes it easier for buyers to find what they're looking for and increases the likelihood of making multiple sales. Promoting your Etsy store is also important to drive traffic to your listings. You can use social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to promote your store and your printables. Create eye-catching graphics and use relevant hashtags to increase your reach. If you're skilled in design, selling printables on Etsy is a fantastic way to make some money. It's a low-risk and low-cost venture that can potentially generate passive income for you. Your main focus should be on creating high-quality designs that are not only visually appealing, but also functional for your customers. This way, you can create unique printables that stand out from the rest and attract a loyal customer base. So let your creativity flow, start designing, and make your mark in the world of printables. Number 3. Creating and selling t-shirts on print-on-demand websites. Creating and selling t-shirts is one of the most popular ways to make money with low-content items. With the rise of print-on-demand websites, anyone can create and sell custom t-shirts with their own designs without the need for any upfront costs or inventory. Print-on-demand websites such as Teespring, Redbubble, and Printful make it easy for anyone to create their own t-shirt designs and start selling them online. To get started with creating and selling t-shirts on a print-on-demand website, you first need to choose the platform that you want to use. Each platform has its own features, pricing, and shipping options. Once you've chosen your platform, you can start creating your own t-shirt designs. To create your own t-shirt designs, you can use design software such as Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop. These tools are easy to use and provide a range of design options for beginners and experts alike. You can create designs that reflect your personal style, showcase a particular theme or trend, or promote a cause or message. You can also choose the type of shirt, the color, and the size of the shirt to suit different buyers. Once you have created your designs, you can upload them to the print-on-demand website of your choice. Each platform has its own process for uploading designs, so be sure to follow the instructions carefully. You can also add product descriptions, keywords, and pricing information to your listings to help buyers find your products. To promote your t-shirt designs, you can use social media and other online channels. You can share your designs on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to attract potential buyers. You can also create targeted ads to reach a specific audience and increase your sales. One of the benefits of using a print-on-demand website is that you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or handling. The print-on-demand company takes care of all the production and shipping, and you receive a commission on each sale. This makes it a great way to create a passive income stream with little to no maintenance. To make your t-shirt design stand out, you need to focus on the quality of the design and the quality of the shirt. Use high-resolution images and choose fonts that are easy to read. Make sure your designs are printed on high-quality shirts that are comfortable and durable. You can also add unique features such as embroidery, patches, or appliques to make your design stand out from the rest. Selling t-shirts on a print-on-demand website is an excellent way to earn some extra cash with low-content items. With some good tools and tactics, everyone can produce their designs and make profits online. So why not start designing your own t-shirts today and discover how simple it can be to earn money with low-content items? So there you have it, folks. Making money with low-content items is easy and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Whether you choose to sell low-content books on Amazon, printables on Etsy, or t-shirts on print-on-demand websites, there's no limit to the amount of income you can generate. So why wait? Start creating your own low-content items today and watch the money roll in. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.